We all spend a good chunk of our time on the internet every day, be it watching videos on YouTube or just browsing social media. As of 2022, 69% of the world's population uses the internet. Now imagine if this invisible network of data becomes something you can see and interact with. Instead of just watching your friends' pictures on Instagram, you can interact with them in real time. Instead of just watching through a screen, you can immerse yourself in that environment for the most realism. This is where the metaverse comes in. But what even is the metaverse? The term metaverse was coined by writer Neal Stephenson in his 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash. Stevenson described the metaverse in his novel as a vast digital universe that exists alongside the actual world. The metaverse is a virtual reality environment where users can communicate with a computer-generated environment and other participants. In the long run, it will essentially act as a 3D version of the internet. Furthermore, Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, predicts that the core elements of the metaverse will take 5 to 10 years to become mainstream. However, the metaverse is rapidly expanding. You can see those ultra-fast internet connections, virtual reality headgear, and permanent always-on online worlds are already operational. If you currently own any cryptocurrency, virtual reality hardware, or even an NFT, you are already a part of the metaverse. Although the metaverse is significantly more vast than a video game, it appears that the gaming world has already embraced it. Consider the online game Fortnite, in which users have a personalized avatar with which they connect and interact amongst themselves, while also collecting virtual currency to buy costumes and upgrades for their avatar. According to engineers, the metaverse will elevate the virtual reality experience to a new level, allowing players to float into the virtual environment to do anything from buying land and hosting parties to even getting married using digital avatars. The metaverse is being developed further using mixed reality technology, which blends VR, which stands for virtual reality, and AR, meaning augmented reality. With the elements of touch and smell being a part of the metaverse experience, the immersion is further enhanced by haptic feedback, which provides vibrations for certain actions. The concept of the metaverse has greatly benefited from the introduction of VR devices like Oculus and HTC Vive. Games made specifically for VR headsets are already extremely profitable. AR takes this a step further by using technology to improve the user's sense of reality. But how will the metaverse provide an upgrade over the current internet from an application standpoint? The ability to interact physically with people thousands of miles away without investing in travel costs will benefit both personal and professional conditions. Students in schools can put their wild ideas to the test without having to subject themselves to the risks associated with certain materials. Allowing medical professionals to assist or even perform surgeries from the other end of the world will be a life-saving benefit. The digital economy is also strengthened by introducing cryptocurrency and NFTs in the metaverse. Similar-minded individuals can connect in the metaverse and exchange thoughts about each other's growth and prosperity. Avatars provide for simple interaction with whomever you choose during your metaverse interactions. There are, however, a few concerns with the advent of the metaverse. Users may be diverted onto a street or guided into a risky physical circumstance, such as robbery or mugging, as AR technology enters the picture. Businesses will need to make advanced preparations to ensure their AR and VR systems are not exploited, either internally by unethical management looking to violate the privacy of their coworkers and subordinates, or externally by hackers. A full metaverse where lifelike exchanges are feasible is still years away, despite the fact that the core concept of being able to interact in a virtual online environment has been around for many years. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates highlighted that most people lack the VR goggles and motion tracking gloves to precisely record their emotions, body language, and voice quality. But according to Gates, in the next 2 to 3 years, most online meetings will switch from two-dimensional square rooms to the metaverse, a 3D environment where participants interact with virtual avatars. So here's a question for you. Who was the first artist to perform a concert on the metaverse? Travis Scott, Daylor Mendy, or Justin Bieber? Give the correct answer and your reasoning, and stand a chance to win an Amazon voucher. Think about it and leave your answers in the comments section, and we will provide the answer next week.